Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disconnect controllers on Nintendo Switch 2. If you want to disconnect controllers, either the Joy-Cons or the Pro controller, they will have this little pair button that you need to shortly click on. When the lights go off, it means that the controller has been disabled. Now if I do it on the other one, I can disable it as well. And now they are both disabled. So yeah, I think they are. Yes, it seems like they are. And if I want to enable them, let's just press on the pair button. Doesn't do anything. Let's press and hold. Also doesn't do anything. So if you want to pair them, either attach them or click on how to pair controllers, other pairing methods, and press and hold on the button. Now it'll actually start connecting. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.